Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about an important topic, taking care of your kidneys by drinking the right beverages. Kidneys play a crucial role in filtering waste and toxins out of our bloodstream. Unhealthy kidneys can lead to serious problems like chronic kidney disease, kidney failure, and the need for dialysis. That's why it's so important that we drink fluids that support kidney health and avoid those that can damage these vital organs. In this video, I'll be sharing the top 10 kidney-healthy drinks to incorporate into your diet. I really think you'll benefit from this information, so make sure to watch until the end. To start, let me provide a quick overview of how our kidneys function and why they are susceptible to damage. The kidneys are bean-shaped organs that filter about 120 to 150 quarts of blood daily. As blood flows through the kidneys, they remove wastes like urea and excess fluid, which get expelled from the body as urine. The kidneys also regulate levels of key minerals like sodium, potassium, and phosphorus. When the kidneys aren't working properly, these wastes and fluids can build up in the body. Over time, this can lead to complications like high blood pressure, anemia, weak bones, poor nutrient absorption, and accumulation of toxins. There are a few key risk factors for kidney disease, including diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, smoking, obesity, and family history. Kidney disease often goes undetected until it has progressed significantly, since early symptoms like fatigue, nausea, and trouble concentrating are easy to overlook. Once the damage progresses, kidney function can deteriorate rapidly. Advanced kidney disease is very serious. In end-stage kidney failure, dialysis or a kidney transplant are needed to replace the kidney's essential functions. Dialysis involves mechanically filtering the blood to remove wastes. It's crucial for survival, but is also taxing on the body and lifestyle. Getting a transplant can dramatically improve quality of life, but it depends on finding a donor match and taking medications to prevent rejection. The good news is, we can be proactive about kidney health through diet and lifestyle choices. Staying well hydrated with the right fluids is key. Some beverages support the kidney's filtering abilities, while others can create more work for these organs or directly irritate them. So let's get into the top 10 kidney-friendly drinks to focus on. Incorporating more of these options into your daily routine can promote optimal kidney function while staying hydrated. Number 10. Coconut water. Let's start with coconut water, which is the clear liquid inside young green coconuts. Coconut water is 95% water and rich in key electrolytes like potassium, magnesium, and sodium. It's low in calories and carbs compared to fruit juices. Promoting electrolyte balance helps the kidneys function optimally. I recommend looking for plain coconut water without any added sugars. Number 9. Cranberry juice. Next is cranberry juice, though I suggest choosing low-sugar varieties. Cranberry juice contains antioxidants called polyphenols that may help prevent bacteria from adhering to the bladder and urinary tract. This makes it helpful for preventing urinary tract infections, which can predispose people to kidney infection and damage if left untreated. Choose cranberry juice cocktails with no added sugar or dilute regular cranberry juice with water. Number 8. Apple cider vinegar drinks. Drinking apple cider vinegar diluted in water may also benefit kidney health. Studies suggest acetic acid, the main active component of vinegar, slows kidney injury and protracted renal damage. It provides antimicrobial properties and can help lower blood pressure and glucose levels, two key risk factors for kidney disease progression. Just dilute 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar per cup of water. Number 7. Lemon water. Similar to apple cider vinegar, drinking warm lemon water helps alkalize the body and provide vitamin C. Lemons specifically assist the kidneys in flushing out waste products and help dissolve kidney stones. Starting your day with a warm glass of lemon water is an easy habit to build. Simply squeeze fresh lemon juice into warm water. Number 6. Herbal tea. Herbal teas like hibiscus, green tea, and chamomile deserve a spot on our list. They contain antioxidants that fight inflammation and tissue damage without the crash that comes from coffee. Green tea provides epigallocatechin galatea, EGCG, which protects kidney cells. Hibiscus and chamomile soothe the kidneys. Avoid adding any sweeteners to your tea. Number 5. Vegetable juice. Fresh vegetable juices made from produce like celery, cucumber, parsley, spinach, and ginger can nourish the kidneys. Celery juice contains electrolytes, while cucumber acts as a diuretic. Parsley counteracts toxins, while ginger soothes digestive issues that affect the kidneys. Spinach provides antioxidants. Be sure to avoid added sodium and excess natural sugars. Number 4. Kidney bean broth. Kidney bean broth made with lots of water tastes savory, while the beans offer soluble fiber, protein, and key nutrients that benefit the kidneys. This includes potassium, magnesium, iron, zinc, folate, and B vitamins. Beans help detox the kidneys and lower inflammation. Boil kidney beans in plenty of water for a few hours to extract the broth. Number 3. Blueberries. The antioxidants and phytonutrients in blueberries make them an amazing choice for supporting kidney health. They can help prevent and repair damage done to kidney cells by free radicals. Eat them fresh or frozen, or make a smoothie with blueberries as the base. The natural compounds in them flush toxins and promote proper fluid balance. Number 2. Water. Getting adequate water intake is crucial for healthy kidneys operating at full capacity. Water helps flush waste from the kidneys and prevents dehydration. Dehydration causes kidney stones and urinary tract infections. Aim for at least 2 to 3 liters of fluid daily, with water as the primary beverage of choice. Adding lemon can boost the benefits. Number 1. Unsweetened cranberry and lemon water. My number 1 kidney-healthy beverage combines 2 powerhouse ingredients: cranberry juice and lemon water. As discussed earlier, cranberries prevent bacteria growth in the urinary tract, while lemons flush out toxins and kidney stones. By diluting the two together, you get enhanced benefits with less sugar than cranberry juice alone. The main themes are that we want to provide our kidneys with antioxidants, electrolytes, and fluids that they can easily process. It's also crucial to avoid excess sugars, phosphates, and sodium that overburden the kidneys. Cutting back on alcohol and caffeine also takes pressure off these organs. Making small, consistent changes to how you hydrate by incorporating more of these beverages into your daily routine can really pay off over time. Healthy kidneys have a huge impact on energy, immunity, lifespan, and quality of life. It's so important to stay on top of your kidney health before any damage sets in. I hope this video gives you some new ideas for supporting your kidneys and avoiding problems like kidney stones, infections, and disease down the road. Improving your beverage choices to stay hydrated with the right fluids is one of the most effective yet simple ways to do this. Thank you all for sticking with me to the end of this longer video on kidney health drinks. I hope you found it informative and feel motivated to be more mindful about your fluid intake. Like I always say, our health truly depends on the small decisions we make each day. If you enjoyed this topic, make sure to let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Feel free to share it with anyone else who may benefit from these tips.